Hi, today I will tell you about my new main cube. It's Valk Elite. Uh, First of all, this is my first time I um, record a video, so if I have any mistake, hope you can forgive for that. Um, yes, let's unboxing this. Yeah, I'm so nervous because of this is my first time. Yeah, I buy this from Rubik Saigon. Yeah, let's check this. Let's check it out. My old main is Dayan Teng Yun, so but I have already sell them. This Valk Elite. Yes, it's perfect, and they are sorry, a loop to lubricate. Yeah, it's a key loop. Let's check it out. I buy these stickers, so sticker Rubik's. So my skill is not really good, but I think I wanna try. Yes, I'm so nervous. Forgive me. My English skills is not really good because I'm Vietnamese. Let's check this out. As you already know, I'm a fan of Valk. Yeah. Oh my god. It's very interesting. So beautiful, honey. Let's check this 4 box. Yeah. First is A, B, C, and D. Let's check D. They give us a stickers. Yeah, sticker, logo, and some sticker. This manual. Yes, this manual. There's some video solution. Let's first is A, box A. I think this a magnetic, strong magnetic, a red magnetic. Yes, red. I think we have to the stickers. Is D. D is a line no magnetics. Box D is box B is no magnetic. Oh my god, it's very hard. Line magnetic, and the C is the spring. Yeah, as you know, this is the light spring, and this is the strong spring. Let's check this out. My new character, new man. The box is really beautiful, like Valk 4 or Valk 5. I really like Valk 5 box. Let's check this. Let's check this out. Oh my god, it's so much loop. You can see. Oh my god. It's too much. We have to clean this. Hey guys, I'm here. First impression. So, it's so dry. Yes, so dry. Oh my god, so much lube. A very hard tension. Sorry about the cocks. Yeah. The magnetic is strong enough. In my hand, they are stronger than I think. Yeah, I this the ace of yeah. Yeah, magnetics or Y magnetic. Oh my god, it's so fast. They fast like Dayan Tengjun. Sorry about my finger trick, is not good. Sorry. Okay, that's my video. So hope you enjoyed this. Oh my god, the tension is so hard, so strong. This is my first video and my skill is not really good, so thanks for watching this. Yeah, that's my previous song.